to you. Either way, it's all my fault. 'Cause I made a man in his hands of you. And I would tear me down, but I feel like a dead man. What can a dead man do? Not leaving one way or the other. There was no